Namaskar. Diabetes doesn't mean that you cannot enjoy sweet things. If the sweet is healthy and if you do not overeat, you can definitely eat sweets. Diabetes is a condition which needs to be managed and can be managed with a little bit of discipline. I'm going to tell you not just one but three sweet recipes that diabetics can enjoy without any fear. But remember, no overindulgence. These sweets are also low in calories and also helps in maintaining an ideal weight. First, mixed vegetable halwa. You will need 50 gram grated white pumpkin, 25 grams grated rich gourd, 25 grams grated cucumber, 3 to 4 dates paste, 2 walnuts and 5 almonds chopped, 5 black raisins. All these are the ingredients. Now understand how to make it. Cook grated white pumpkin, cucumber and rich gourd until it is soft in water. Then add the thick date paste, walnut, almond, raisins and cook until all water evaporates. This is a sweet ready for you. Serve hot. Why this halwa is so good for diabetes? Cucumber, white pumpkin and rich gourd helps in reducing blood glucose level by 67, 65 and 51% respectively after 12 hours after consumption. Cucumber has a glycemic index of 50. Its RDA or recommended daily allowance is 1. Pumpkin has a high GI at 75 but the low glycemic load at 3. This means as long as you stick to a single portion of pumpkin, it would not affect your blood sugar level at all. 1 cup of chopped rich gourd has a GI about 86. Next sweet dish could be oats and seeds ladoo. Here you need oats 30 grams, 1/4 cup of almond, half tablespoon methi seed powder, 1/4 cup sesame seed, 1/4 cup pumpkin seed, 1/4 cup flax seed, 1 cup roasted peanuts, 2 tablespoon jaggery powder, half a tablespoon cardamom powder, half cup hot ghee or clarified butter. Now understand how to make this ladoo. Roast oats, methi seed, almond, pumpkin seed, sesame seed, flax seed, peanuts all separately. Now grind roasted peanuts, flax seeds, methi seeds and pumpkin seeds. Now take a bowl, add roasted oats and this seed powder. Then add jaggery powder, cardamom powder, chopped almond and melted ghee. Mix all this properly and make small ladoos. Note, 1 serving is equal to 2 small size ladoos. RDA or recommended daily intake limit: oat 30 gram, 5 almonds, methi and sesame seed 1 tablespoon that is 5 gram, pumpkin and flax seed 1 tablespoon, peanuts 15 grams. Our third sweet is Dalia Firni. Dalia Firni is an excellent option because of certain facts. Dalia has glycemic index of 41 which falls under low GI range. Its glycemic load is 9.4. It is a healthy option to food against any refined or other type of food. It also helps in relieving constipation because of its high fiber content. 1 serving is equivalent to 30 grams. Another ingredient is dates. Glycemic index of Khalat's date is 35.5 and 30.5 for Baman dates. The consumption of these varieties of dates may help in glycemic and lipid control of diabetic patients. So what do you need? Broken wheat or dalia 15 grams, full fat milk 500 ml, date 3 to 4, elaichi powder 1 teaspoon, 5 almonds chopped and 2 walnuts chopped. Understand how to make it? Put dalia in a colander and rinse it in the flowing water. Drain the water completely by shaking off the excess water. Spread the dalia in the same colander and air dry. Meanwhile, add a little milk to dates and grind it nicely. Pour the remaining milk in a large pot and begin to heat. Stir this very often so that the layer of cream does not form. Once milk is hot, add dalia. to mixer grinder and make a slightly coarse powder. Pour half cup of milk to the fine powder and mix well to avoid lumps. Now pour this to hot milk and mix well. Keep stirring and cook on medium heat until dalia is fully cooked. Firni turns slightly thick at this stage. Add date paste to it and continuously keep stirring. Once firni has become thick, yet of pouring consistency, add cardamom powder and mix well. Take it off the stove and continuously stir it to cool it down. Firni thickens upon cooling. Add almond and walnut for garnishing. Once it cools down, transfer it to a serving cup or a clay bowl. Serve firni chilled or at room temperature. So, all those diabetics with sweet tooth should definitely enjoy all these sweets and make life more sweet, much happier, much better, not bitter all the time, rather with sweets. So take care, take charge of yourself. Namaskar.